and welcome back. Today we're going to be making a lemon bundt cake with butterfly Bluepea icing. First we're going to zest our lemon. For 3 tablespoons worth of zest, we're talking about 1 to 2 lemons if they're small or 1 really large one. And then we're just going to set that aside. And then in a large bowl we're going to beat the olive oil and sugar together until it forms sort of like a sludge-like consistency. We're then going to add in the remaining wet ingredients, so the yogurt, vanilla essence, lemon juice and almond milk, and just whisk that all together until it's combined. Then sift in your flour, baking soda and baking powder and mix it evenly until it's a homogeneous batter. Then add in the lemon zest and fold that through. You can actually add this in when you're adding in all the wet ingredients, but I just forgot to. Then generously grease your bundt pan so that it'll be easy for you to take out the cake once it's finished baking. And then we're going to pour in the batter and bake it at 180 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. While the cake is baking, we're going to make the lemon syrup by boiling the lemon juice and sugar together. Once all the sugar has dissolved and it's turned a bit thick, we're going to turn off the heat and set it aside. Then to prepare for the icing, we're going to pour some almond milk into a pot and bring it up to just barely a simmer, and then we're going to add in the butterfly Bluepea flowers and just put on the lid and let that steep for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, you should see that the almond milk would have turned a beautiful blue hue. When your cake is ready, turn it out onto a cooling rack and then just brush it all over with the lemon syrup and let the cake cool. We're then going to make the icing by slowly pouring in the almond milk and mixing that with the icing sugar until it turns into a thick mixture. You won't need to use up all of the almond milk, otherwise your icing sugar will become too thin. And then once your cake has cooled, you can just pour over the icing and let it fall down the sides. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.